Hello everyone, it's Patty, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the beautiful September sub box from the Planner Society. And what I'll be sharing with you is the full-size box. So this is the big box, then the Box Sticker Society, the Hobonichi Week Society, the Sticker Society, the Mini Box Sticker Society, and the Washi Society. So I'll remove everything from the packaging and I'll be right back. And I'm back, and I've taken everything out of the packaging, and there is so much included, but as always I like to start with the gorgeous papers that are included in the kit. And we're getting 6 sheets of cardstock. This is buttery soft, nice thick quality cardstock, and it comes in 3 different types. So this is one of the papers, and it is gorgeous. I mean, I love this pattern. It's like a white background with this soft black. It's not really, you know, it's kind of faded black, little kind of squared. It almost looks like a screen print. And on the other side you have this beautiful kind of like a muted it was like a cream brown color, I would say, like a clay color. And I just love this because it's really like a fall, like we're transitioning, we're going into fall, so this is perfect. And then my personal favorite, I love this kind of deconstructed animal print with the soft pink background with these spots that are black and white. And on the other side is just this gorgeous green. And again, the colors are kind of faded, muted, you know, because again, when you think of fall, you don't think of bright colors or super intense colors. So this is gorgeous. I love the pink. And then the last of the 2 cardstocks is this light brown with white flowers. And on the background, on the other side, we have the beautiful floral, and it's an assortment of flowers, like a giant bouquet of like green and brown and kind of like a soft pink. Now we also get a ton of specialty papers, and I always say specialty paper costs a lot because I'm gonna go to Michael's and Hobby Lobby, it costs me over $1, you know, $2 a sheet. So we have the vellum version of the same floral pattern that we saw in the cardstock. Then we have this one, which is my favorite. It also has like a kind of an embossed feel, like the black little dots here feel kind of embossed, and I just love this one. And then we're getting 2 acetate sheets. So the first sheet is the pattern, the animal print pattern. On one side is gold, and on the other side is silver. So you can choose whichever side, you know, to put in the front if you're more of a silver girl or gold girl. And then we have that beautiful grid, and it's rose gold on one side and it's silver on the other one. And then we also get one of these gorgeous kind of like now the word escapes me, but it's just gorgeous paper that you can cut out and put at the corner of your like a doily kind of pattern. You can cut this out to turn into a page. You can just cut a little bit. I have used them, actually, these instead of using the glitter edgers. I just kind of cut around, you know, just this little bit here, and I have inserted it in the middle of my 2 pages. So I used it in one of my previous setups if you'd like to take a look. But this is a gorgeous cream color. And then I want to start with something that I was so excited when I saw it on Christy's feed. How adorable is this? I mean, this is such a cute little bag, and when it arrives, you know, it'll be a little bit, you know, flattened out because of course it traveled a long time. So I've put a little one of those little mailers, like clear plastic mailers, to puff it back up so it will, you know, retain, you know, regain its nice shape. And it's super cute. You can just carry it around, even if you wanted to take it in your car for snacks or just little goodies. Like when my kids were little, I used to have little games that they could play in the car, so they would never be bored. And now it could be more like, you know, their technology, their phones, their whatever they are using. And then there's this cute little pouch here which you can use to put your keys in, or just coins or whatever you want, and you can have it sitting right in there. And I just think she is absolutely adorable. Then the next thing I am super excited about is the pen, which they're always beautiful, the pens that Christy includes. This one has the that pattern, and then here there's little dry flowers that are in the liquid, and I just love these because it's just so soft, so sweet. I just love it. I love these little flowers, and the little bubbles go up and down. I find it very relaxing to just like do this. I used to have these pens when I was a kid, and I always play with them. And then another thing that is new this month is these bracelets, and I was super excited. So you're getting 2 bracelets. One says TPS and the other one says girl. One is in this kind of like peachy pink, and the other one is in white, and you can just put them on and look how adorable they look. They're one size fits all. I just love them. I just think, and I wear a lot of like bracelets, and these are super cute. And then going in the theme again, the theme of the box is more like a fall vibe, and we have this little hedgehog that is a paper clip. It's in fabric, it's embroidered. This will look super cute in your planner. You can just stick it on top of the planner or stick it inside a pocket, which is what I do. And then let's go into the die cuts. So we're getting a ton of die cuts. I mean, I don't know if you can tell. I mean, this is a gazillion. So let me start with the big die cuts, which you can use as, kind of like the centerpiece of your dashboards. So we have this one that says start a day with a grateful heart, and it's so beautiful. The color scheme of this one is beyond. This one is gorgeous. This is probably my favorite. This says pumpkin patches, has all the assortments, all the goodies that you could find in the stores during the fall time. And then there is this beautiful robe, and then we have I have a double of that one. Okay, that's good, I can use 2. And then we have a little scissors with some needlework. And then I love fall, which is perfect. This may probably be my front dashboard. And then this one that says let's stay home, because where are we going, guys? We're not going right? So we're definitely staying home. And then you're getting all these cute die cuts. So we're getting little bows, fall, sweet fall, and all these, by the way, are available. And how adorable are these? So I will put them all together, actually, these scattered on a page. And that's, Alexa, fall mode on, please. I mean, this is too cute. And what I was trying to say is that these, if you buy the digital version, let's just say that you love this, little die cuts, but you say, I wish this were 3 inches, tall and not like an inch, so that I could use them differently. So you can get the digital version, in which you will find all these files, and then you can print them whatever size you want. And those are available on Christy's account on Etsy under Christy Tomlinson. And again, look how many there are. And so there, she also has the papers. So you want to print the papers, in smaller size on whatever you want to print them. They're available over there. And again, the bows are the cutest thing. And I love acorns because I love squirrels. I have a little bit of an obsession. So I love squirrels, and whenever I see an acorn, I actually carry acorns around with me. I mean, that's a little fun fact. I'm a nut. I'm a nut for squirrels. And then we also get 2 little 2 packs, always wrapped with this, beautiful ribbon, which I always keep, and I use to make little bows for my planners. We have this memo with the leopard print, and then the little stars here on the corner in the yellow gold, and then little sticky notes or sticky, little flags you can put in the planner to mark important events. We have check it out, checklist, meal plan, to-do list, etc. Yes, and the little hedgehog again. And then another new product this month is these beautiful new type of stickers. So these stickers are printed on a paper that feels like vellum, and so when you put them on, they are slightly they're transparent, and so you're getting some of the half boxes, some squares, some little flags, some little hearts, and then more little kind of like flags that you can put around everywhere, and then more of this. So this will be more of an accessory, and it's very good to like kind of create a layer effect in your page, so you can just put one on top of your regular stickers. And then we get the little these little toppers in rose gold, which can be used for your page marker, and they come in the rose gold, and they also come in this assorted floral patterns, which match, of course, the colors of the month. And then in the box you also get the little stickers, which are kind of deco stickers, and we're getting 4 sheets of them. So we have some of these adorable little deco stickers, some little trackers, some of the words here, which I always actually love using these in my dashboards, and more little stickers. Then we also get some tabs, and the tabs are already they're stickers, so all you do is just you lift them up, you attach them to the side of your page, and then there's already a space here where you can use one of the stickers provided, which are for basically everything, because we have from days of the week to meals to months to events, things you can do, so you are all set. And then one of the favorite items, because I use these in every setup, these are the glitter edgers. First of all, we have these little bow tabs, which come in the floral, and then in the leopard. And then we're getting the glitter edgers, which I just cannot, I've gotten so used to planning and my basically designing my setups using these glitter edgers that I don't know what I would do without them, because I have to use them, and I just think they add so much. And so there's again the same the same pattern, and you have it in the large size and then in kind of the mini size, whichever depending on how big your planner is. And then another thing that's super useful is the little pockets. These are adhesive pockets, and this month we're getting 3, and they come in 3 different sizes. So we have, this one is actually just like a little, you will put it probably on an Hobonichi, that would be perfect, or in a corner of a planner. And then we have the full size, which would be on a full set, maybe 6. This would be something smaller for like a personal, or if you have even like a smaller planner, they will work. And then we have these stickers. So these are going to be hard to see. Let me turn this around. So these are clear stickers in this gorgeous floral, and this is almost like a silver matte color, and I love these little spots that look like leopard spots. And then in the other sheet we're getting affirmations, like the book's the best version of yourself, keep going, dream never stop. I think these are so, I always look for something like that on my planner, just to a little reminder, when you're having a tough day, you turn the page, you see something, that says, like, for example, like here, right here, what is meant to be will always find its way. And it just kind of like soothing, I find it soothing at least. Now, the next thing I want to show, so this is everything that's included in the main box, which is the full-size main box. There's also a smaller version, which you'll get less. I do not have that one, but you can check it out on the plannersociety.com. It's basically the same, box, but with less items. Now, let's start with the separate subscriptions, which the first one is the Box Sticker Society. So if you are using an Erin Condren planner, if you use a lot of stickers, the Box Sticker Society is what I would recommend. This is what I would use because I use a lot of stickers. This comes in 4 sheets. As I always say, there's a little groove there. You can, insert them in your traveler notebook. We have 1 sheet of full boxes. We have 8 full boxes, flags, little heart, and how beautiful are these? The foiling, it's almost like it's a light yellow gold. And there's this beautiful kind of little scenes in it. And they're just all gorgeous. There's not one that I dislike. Then on the second sheet, we have headers, we have some little bows, some little trackers, more bows, again, some little, oh my goodness, the word doesn't escape me right now, but it'll come back to me in a second. Then we have more checklists, and then we have more flags, little hearts, again, always with the same foiling. Then we have some washi strips, half boxes, quarter boxes, all in the same pattern. And so this is something that, you can stretch this out a lot. Now, let's say that you like to, to plan, but you just want to have a little more room in your planner. Then I would suggest the Mini Box Sticker Society, which is basically the same. It's very similar. However, if you'll see, the boxes are smaller, so they'll still fit in the width of the Erin Condren planner kind of box, but they will be smaller. So you're getting actually 8 here. You see they're just tinier. So then we're getting more icons over there. That was the word, it was escaping me earlier. Then we have almost like, the full box of kind of like checklist, but it's slightly shorter, half boxes, quarter boxes, more of that in just a neutral pattern. Then we have the days of the week. We have more of the washi strips, more days of the week. And then we have more of the checklist, and then some kind of words, and then also the numbers that you can use to number your pages. Oh, and actually there's actually, yeah, no, that was it. Sorry. I was like, wait, did I get the wrong kit? No, it's, so the next up instead, it's the, it's the Hobonichi Weeks Sticker Society. So for the Hobonichi Weeks Sticker Society, you're getting all these goodies. So if you're using an Hobonichi Weeks, this you have 3 weeks basically of days of the week. We have little flags. We have these boxes you can put on your page on your right. We have more of this cute little square little sticker with the same pattern of the full boxes. We have some washi. We have some icons. And actually these are the bottom page washi, so you will put it on the bottom side of your planner. And so you're getting basically 3 layouts. So these are the different 3 weeks that you can plan. On one you can use this type of kind of washi bottom. On this one you can use this one, and on this one this other pattern. So this is 3 full weeks of the Hobonichi Weeks, which I think it's an exceptional value actually, because usually when you buy these kits they're always just for 1 week, and you have 3 on this one. And then the last pack is the Sticker Society, which is something I always say. Let's say that you are more of a minimalist, you don't want to use that much, the many stickers, but you still like to have a little bit of accent, or you want more stickers and you just want to have, everything. So in this one, you just get basically some little headers, days of the week, quarter boxes, same thing, washi strips, little bows, flags, months, little checklist in different ways, more headers, little hearts, and then these cute little bows that go on the top of your page, and then just little hearts and more flags. Now, the last subscription that you can purchase is the washi tape subscription, which comes in this cute little bag. And if you're a washi addict, just like I am, you need it. So in this month, you get 4 washi tapes, again, all beautifully coordinated. So you get in this super large one with that pattern that is gorgeous. Then we're getting the leopard print, which is more of like a deeper pink. And then we're getting this 10 millimeter with that pattern of the kind of grid, and it's a soft pink and as a background, and then a 5 millimeter with the little brown background with the white flowers. And as always, if oh, actually I forgot something, so there we go, guys, I forgot. The main box comes with this washi tape. Sorry about that, but let me show it to you. So this is included in the big washi in the big box. So this is the one that comes in the big giant box with, comes one washi tape. It has the green background with the brown flowers. Now, if you purchase the separate washi tape subscription, this one, and then you see them together, they are beautifully coordinated. So again, this is just the washi tape subscription. And this is it, guys. I was trying to go as fast as I can, so this is not a 20-minute video, but it's getting close because there's so much stuff to share. But again, if you would like to sign up for the box, now this box has sold out, but if there were any extra, Christy will put them on the website. And if you're interested in the printable version, in the the digital, you can go on Etsy. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at Planningfancy, and otherwise you can just reach out to Christy's customer service at the Planner Society website. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye bye.